This is one of a series of short videos on Penn Inn in Newton Abbot. This one covers the road ahead route from Newton Abbot to Combeinteignhead. As you can see, we've positioned into the left-hand lane in the one-way system. Up to now, the signs have said only Exeter for this lane, but the sign that we can see ahead of us will tell us that the left-hand lane is used for Combeinteignhead. It's important to remember with this route that this lane goes to both Buckland and Combeinteignhead, and they split after the roundabout. And also, this is road ahead second exit, but so is the lane to the right that's going to Milber. So we've confirmed with the sign that we're in the correct lane for Combeinteignhead. As we approach the roundabout, this lane will split into two, so it's important that we keep to the right as it splits, so we end up in the Combeinteignhead lane. The left lane is only going left towards Exeter, and that's confirmed by the sign we can see on the left. So we're following the road markings for Combe. The white line that's on our right, it's important we keep that line there and we stay on this side of it. If we cross it, we end up in the Milber lane. So we're coming across here, keeping all this yellow box clear, keeping far over to the left as we come round the roundabout. As we leave, again, just keeping over to the left, but being aware that the lane is about to split, so picking up the Combeinteignhead lane when we can. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos, and if you like them, subscribe.